G'day everybody, I'm Jim from Global Cavitation. For years we've been working on an infusion device to infuse gas into liquid instantaneously. What we've come up with is truly exciting and what we believe is the best of its type in the world, bar none. It is a hydrodynamic cavitation reactor. Ultimately, what we've got is a vortex creating a center line which is centrifugally throwing out wide through multiple chambers. This causes expansion and vaporization, massive heat increase, and then collapse with a shock wave to splinter either the solids or the gas into nano scale. Now, to show you the diversity of this and understand our scalability of a complete flow-through system, I've got a device here, which we're testing at the moment as well, and a 11 millimeter, 10 millimeter bit of bar. And as you can see, this thing goes straight through the whole entirety of the device. This means what we can do at say 500 litres a minute, 30 cubes an hour, we can infuse oxygen at 14 milligrams over baseline at sub 10 nano scale, 500 litres per minute. Seriously exciting stuff. We're talking aquaculture, agriculture, waste, sanitation, swimming pools, ozone, the list goes on and on and on. Seriously exciting stuff. So today we're just going to go through the process quickly, show you real-time application. Ultimately what we need is a gas supply. Today we're going to use hydrogen and oxygen, fantastic in biology. We're going to infuse that, as you can see at the moment, via the negative side of the pump and the suction side, where we simply have got an intake point. As you can see, this much gas is coming out. It's about 1.5% the volume. What we're going to do is turn it on. You'll see the bubbles disappear and nothing else. As you can see, no visible bubbles whatsoever. This is 100% gas infusion and retention. Over time, the cavities of gas that are being formed at the moment are going to build up greater and greater and greater until it becomes cloudy in solution. Obviously not holding any more gas than is possible. There is going to be a saturation point, but we can infuse, say with oxygen, 14 milligrams instantaneously per litre from one side of the pump to the other. In summary, what we're doing is using pressure, vortex and physics. Creating a vortex, inertia and centrifugal force throwing out, that creates a negative pressure line through the centre, compression, vaporisation, collapse, shock wave and infusion instantaneously. Ultimately, as I mentioned before, this is completely clear. No blockage all the way through the device. No maintenance. Very, very versatile. Very, very simple. Last for years and years and years. Sub 10 nano. We've even tried to get people to test this overseas at 10 nano. They cannot find it. So we're even finer than that. Really exciting stuff. So here we have a range of devices available. The one that we saw in the video and the submersible device, obviously the external device that we also saw, we're packaging them up like this, available all over the world, whether it's a half a cube, 3.5 cube, 15 cube, 30 cube, please contact one of our sales team. We hope to hear from you soon. I'm Jim Wilson from Global Cavitation. Thanks for watching.